Hi guys and welcome back. We're at the Banyan Caravan Park. We have stayed here before and it's the only place we want to stay at Litchfield, and you'll see why. It has large shady areas for camping with power and unpowered sites both available. They have a large camp kitchen with tables as well. They have a clean laundry and their showers and toilets are also very clean and well kept. If you aren't too much into camping, they have cabins that are a variety of sizes. They have a big bar area with a map of Litchfield painted on the wall that has the waterfalls and tracks of Litchfield. Do you like your beer, Soraya?
Whittaway. It's like a pale ale, so Whittaway, everybody likes that.
We got a bowl of chips and they were amazing. Lastly, there is a big pool area and the pool is very clean and well kept. Thank you for watching and make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned. Bye!